This section will be pretty quick. Just give you a couple formulas here for dealing with spheres. It takes 4 circles of equal radius to cover a sphere. So what does that mean is the surface area formula for a sphere? Well, if it takes 4 circles, I'm going to have, it's going to take 4 of the areas of those circles. So it's going to take 4 times pi r squared. And this is the surface area of a sphere. So pi r squared, that's the same as area of a circle, but it takes 4 of those circles, so 4 pi r squared. So it shouldn't be too hard to remember that one. And then the volume formula, which I'm not going to take the time to prove, but it's 4/3, so that third comes again. So we got the 4 from up here. We've got the third from when we were dealing with cones and pyramids, so 4/3 pi, and then it's the radius cubed. Okay, cubed because we're measuring volume. And that's the volume formula for a sphere. So let's find the surface area and volume of this sphere. The diameter of the sphere is 26 inches. So the radius of the sphere is going to be 13 inches. So the surface area would be 4 times pi 13 squared. This ends up being 4 times pi times 13 squared. 2123.72. This would be cubic inches, or no, inches squared, sorry. So it takes that many square inches to completely cover this sphere. So think of it as, I guess it's a pretty big basketball, so not quite a basketball, but you know, a big ball that's 26 inches across. If you want to cover it with paper, you would take this many square inches of paper to completely cover it. Volume, we're going to take 4/3. Pi r cubed. Our radius again is 13. Now we're cubing it. So take 4/3 times pi times 13 cubed. Okay, and that's how many cubic inches it takes to fill this with water. So if we wanted to fill it with water, it would take that many cubic inches. 9202.77. Now, if we want to convert that to feet, this is just kind of a side note. It takes 12 inches in 1 foot. So if I want to convert cubic inches, I need to cube this and this. So my conversion ratio is actually going to be 1728. It's going to take 1,728 cubic inches to be in 1 cubic foot. So let's see how many cubic feet this is. So I would take 9202.77 divided by 1728. So it's 5.33 cubic feet. Okay, and that's spheres, so just finding surface area and volume, and that's it. We got one more section after this.